Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh, Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi, you are my battle. I call you Rapha, hey, you are my healer. Say, Lord, you are, you're my everything. I call you Jireh, Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi, you are my battle. I call you Rapha, you are my healer. Say, Lord, you are, you're my everything. Uya matinyana, uya matinyana, uya matinyana. Oh, uya matinyana. Yeah, so uya matinyana, uya matinyana. Yeah, uya matinyana. Oh, uya matinyana. Say, I call you Jireh, say, I call you.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Baby Biara owo. Medinchi akese efi BWF Solicitors aseye edema obi biara. Meje de se adomonti apomu ye. Bibiara ye boko. Enenso adom ne ahwe ye nti otwede amponyankopon ache ye enkwa. Na yemfa edwumedi ade bibiara ye de bremu edu Friday, edu Thursday, edu Saturday ye de bremu enenso mrena sum. Se BWF Solicitors for akom ho biom ede nsempa ene nimde ede breye. Na meje de se ena oba beka yen hwen wo nko a onche mfa na obebo mode ase unu bi wadofo bi unu maame bi papa bi enso betenka na ono nso aba beka ho na wahwe bi anase wo be hye ede amano ene ye nsem a ho hia yie nsem a kyerese obia etu obi bia na mom se wonnim ho kwan wonnim ho nimde a eya na obi besie na afedie how afidie how enti sene tie nie mebo modern se ne answer na mede me resource person be ba no me aba be di nkomo kakra me no be fa adwen bi kakra na afedie ye di ensem no aba na mom me twa me ho sima me di ani manye na te ofre me manye ti a na metima em de me twa me ho sima me sa abasisi a mon twa me meba.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
Yo, masaya bana masan be de na ni jesem ene se ye be hya ase efri ha menua adofo onua utie me ahwefo a motie mo hwe me mesrɛ mo ani die mo ba so amombo modern na mo share program no. Good morning Eric Obna Sante ye jo so de good morning menua ba Sandra Fraser. Good morning Sandra de abeto se mombo modern na mo share program no na u join ne abomodern na share ene ma menka ni jesem bi nkyerɛ mo ni jesem de nyina ye po na obi baso abomodern no nte se me si eni jesem bi wa ha mini BWF Solicitors na edi dwuma sisi a wabeto yen so anasa afi na wadwen link na BWF Solicitors legal education so ne ye wono na eni jesem a me de bra mo se ena nyame ya adoma yesi teachers a omo pese omo betra de wo krom ha akonya eda ho ma mo na mom ene ye pese ye web na bi kakra ye bobe enumre be 7 o'clock no yerba betudwa na opese wo join ne kwan a obefa so a wonso onan ba be sikrom ase wo ye okyerɛkyerɛ ni ye ba be kyerɛ ne nyina na ewie nso a ya san aboa wo kwan a obefa so a wo nsa ebeka se wo course se wo school se wo den yo ene e ba be kyerɛ na se ne be ya wo join ne a wo kyerɛ sɛ wo benya bibia wo pe bia nti if you are interested in coming to teach in the UK, this is the time. This Friday and then you embrace 7 o'clock ye be no web na se Zoom meeting na ya kyerɛkyerɛ mo kwan a ye befa so a ubetumi aba kyerɛ ade e wo krom ha and that form sa na ya nkyerɛ wo kwan na wo hu schools na e wo krom ha no sebi impreduasa enye Ghana ni bi school ana enye Nigeria ni bi school ya ban school enti eno kwan a eda ho no enti se care work route na ye nyina ye nim na ebi mu agigigi sa companies na omode boy nsudwe no enti sa teaching route ya ye we different crachen care and social work route ya ekoso ya obi ye bi enti sa schools na ewo krom ha no enye Ghana ni bi school ena enye Nigeria ni bi school ena enye ye nkrom ni bi school na emom aban school enti bibia no odi aban no ena edele enti se opesa akonya no na embia wo ye okyerɛkyerɛ ni na opese ana webusua ni bi ye okyerɛkyerɛ ni ewo Ghana na opese ono nso embetra de wa ha onya sponsor from aha na ombetra de wa ha any subject area bia. This is the time. Ne bo onye de 50 pounds per no a join it. Uchia 50 pounds na o share leaflet na asie na echo round na obehun say momo code wo honom se uchia o Ghana momo code bi wo honom se obetia wo kromo ha nso a ya bomode ana contact numbers na e wo so no say opese wo uchia wo kromo ha na wetua ana se send ye hi say wo ye interested opese wo join na ya kire wo kwan a obefa so a obe join no a join na me gidi se ebeboa obi hye bi ohu kwan na ye say knowledge is power onye hu sa knowledge na odi bedi edwuma enti bomode ana join yen this very Friday enumrei Friday at 7 join ye na obenya saa nimdeɛ no na odi di dwuma. Afei yɛnkɔ so KT consult for nso asa akɔmo ho biom. KT consult for akɔmo ho biom. Ɛne sɛ nkrɔfo a ɛnam KT so ɔmode trɔtrɔ mo English test ɛne ade no ɛyɛ nigesɛm. Ɛyɛ nigesɛm bebree. Kyerɛ sɛ obiara kɔ na ɔba o si menhyia nti sɛsia no KT no kra ya agyae din no bɔ yɛfrɛ yɛ menhyia KT fo a nti ada no menhyia ɛne sɛn KT ɛda so ɛkyerɛ IELTS no at B1, B2, and even C1 level. Say ope say o join ope English. Ode kwa koye ode be ware. Ana wa ware na si o yere entro ana A1 na A2 onkoye na onim what to do ye betumi ama no saa 1 day ana 2 days interview no na wetumi ade akọ. Ana so person ye B1 IELTS general na academic UKVI eno nso ye wa ha ye betumi akyerɛ wo kwan no kyerɛ sɛ ne ye kyerɛ no eno na wo kwa akɔto wo ho nti ya na eye nigesɛm bebree wo beto sɛ bi mu eni abre na mo gi adesua a wo sɛ yes KT4 ɛyɛ ade papa saa nso na wo krom ha wo pɛ sɛ wo kɔyɛ wo indefinite ana citizen ye sɛ kɔtrɔ B1 wonim kwan a wo bɛfa so ɛyɛ na nkrɔfo sɛ na sɛ we de ɛnyɛ din o ampa me maame me papa me nua bɛma me nua ba a wohwɛ me ampo ɛnyɛ den kra nanso no sɛ wonim sɛ obi nso kɔ ne aka sɛ ye faili no nti sɛ obi betumi akɔ ne ye be faili no ade a ɛnyɛ din na kyerɛ sɛ ɛwɔ bibi a ɔsɛ woyɛ ansa na wetumi ayɛ den etwa nti saa na KT4 ye no betena hɔ ne ahyehyɛ nneɛma a ebebisa hɔ na kyerɛ sɛ wetumi abɔmɔden na wakɔyi ano pɛpɛɛpɛ na wɔn nsa aka wɔn krata wɔmpɛ wei na wɔpɛ den KT ɛyɛ saa adwumadie nyinaa ma afei nso no sisi ano wopɛ sɛ wotro NVQ level 2 ɛyɛ health and care NVQ level 2 ɛyɛ health and care work KT4 nso a introduce eno a eno nso omode to dwa nipa bebree aye interested asese eno nso koso de aye nigesem enti se wo pese wo ye care se kofa wo care certificate kofa wo care se koye na wonim se ne ete a behu KT4 ombetumi ama nhihye nyina ama genuine certificate certificate endorsed by this schools here ewo krom hay anase standard boards here anase ye kan say certificate CPD certifications ne nyina omo be ma na wetumi ekra okra na de kɔ edwuma bia omonim se ampa wayɛ saa de nti bomodea na frɛ KT4 ɛwɔ 0759662015 anase send your WhatsApp wo send WhatsApp no aka hi me interested say meye we meye se mbetumi aboa me ana sa kwanya wo ho se betumi aboa wa ampa ye beboa wo na sa kwanya ne ho se ye ntumi mboa ma me papa ye nka se ye betumi abra ye ntumi eno ane a kyerɛ kwan fofora wo betumi afa so na ba bia wo betumi akɔgye mboa enti bomode ana be hu KT4 na megidi se wo English nsem wo OET nsem ye kan say wo CELT nsem wo B1 se ne atie bia bomode na be hu KT na ye betumi aboa afei yenkwe se de bia ye de BWF solicitors na yebetena ha na ye bibisebisa mo ho nsem na omo kyerɛkyerɛ ye BW solicitors no hwɛ se na omo nda form saa o he omo ye champion tankasa omo ye jankasa kyerɛ sɛ wo hwɛ omo success rate na higher to the extent say home office for omo hu letterhead bia omo BWF solicitors na kyerɛ sɛ omo ho po sasasasa kyerɛ sɛ omo aye adwuma na kyɛ ema omo wo experience na o experience nso a ye nyina ye nim say experience is the best teacher na just say obi a o experience de kwan bia wo befa so a wo de bebre no o de say experience no be di edwuma e de ama na ye nhwe BWF solicitors edwuma omo ye ya na edoso ebi ni say ye ka family and matrimonial law family any matrimonial law na che say ebusua ho mmra se wo ware se wo ware se wo divorce se enkwala wom se enkwala nim se domestic violence ana enye domestic violence ana se domestic abuse ana se trust law ana se embia yenkrom Ghanaian law mpo efa ebusua ho ni nyina BWF solicitors ho ade omoye ho ade papa say ne tie bia no you win the case. That is one thing I love about them. Kwan yon befa so bia for you to win the case na obe win na yeka mo ware mo court mo ye say ana sempo abuse abe ye nuanom ma ni bi otumi didi ni kunu atama ma obehu ni kunu fi edwuma mu na obefia na ne yem hyehye no ne yiri obefie ne yiri ofa we a ne yiri si boy ofa we o si hey nkan say embia the previous night when tumi ambo adwuma yi a ene atem didie yetumi didi na sanso na mema ne bi nso omonsa ha omo ene ebufu hyew no etare omonsa no ne bu yefu a no ato ne nsa no de aba we ni su gban ne bufu a no ato ne nsa no de aba wo ha se gban ne bufu a no aso mu no we shake usa ne nyina eye abuse obi wo ha obeya no asan be pataw opataw a na ye ode no asore na wo kọ obi wo ha ode imano me mano ntina ote ho na ye di ne yaw ote ho me meyo ne ye di ne yaw we nyina se wohwe na wakoma entumi a enye ntokwa utumi divorce be ma no mo de stay distance na mo mbo mo bra ebeboa wo na sebi obema na oba no ankoto bibi ambo na ombekum ye nyina nim krom ha nsem bi se esi de bia obema na nse North London ne buefu trese ne yere edidi na atam nti okokrom ba ya so okofa tuo wo he so okoto tuo ne himfa so okonya ne he eno ase po we shoot ne yere ama se ye den na esio nyankopon ansa na obetete wo ho no tete wo ho na owuo ambetete wo emfi ebusua no ho enti se ope BWF solicitors na nsem bi se ufem na weni nji a just go and seal them bomodian bookie ope kra koho from telephone wo frɛ telephone ya ye betumi aye interview wo phone so e de amount na wetumi aye den akwa akohu omo anase omo ne aye sa interview na afi do mafa wo case no na omo edi ama obehu ana wo ho asen wo saa nso na bi mo wo ho a na afi ato baby a wo betena o say social service abem ohun ne onye ne ho they are the law BWF omo ye law no enti omo nim kwan a se uhia social service a omedu ade amount se embia ye tu ya uni baby ti upe kwan akwanya obefa ade a o se wo ya obenya baby ti a me say ade a efa family hu bia no they can support you na wetumi ayeden wenya bomode akohu BWF solicitors enye no nkwa ye can dispute resolution a ya na brofo akese ya nko school anko enumi ya na ye ntiase papa dispute ase kra etresen dispute ase etresen ya na ha adwen otumo nse brofo real nanso enchechemu kakra bi pe embia wata asase otena ukwa yesi asase na nya wodia enti fama de mame ademi ama beta asase beti aka yesi nya na akoye manso twen dispute na eno ane manso twen let just say ye twen manso ye twen ni na ye twen saba when it comes to BWF solicitors on me di edi amount me resource person say why read me kasa ya ye tenten dodo nti no me ma na akonya na onfa greetings papa bi emma ebusuafo na ahwefo na afedie yemfa yedwumedie no enshas enti lawyer Charles good morning to you.
Good morning, na pomo
Apomu boko papa na pacha onso
Meso me hoye pa.
Edenyamiasi. Friday, they were fresh towards the weekend. Pa.
Oh, we have to. Yes, I'll be on Germany.
Oh, sir. Oh, sir. Yo, memo akenya na fanchi akese ematifo na ahwefo na afede yemfa edwumedie ne hya se gidigidi kra ansa na emre na akọ enti mpacho okwanda ho.
Yo, for na shofo and fieda anopay and so ye din check as here efi BW Solicitors aso ye ni studio we so ebrel maybe I will be and then so ye share say ye besua ade afa emra ho ne kwan ye befa so ebeboa yen e wo ya brebom nti ne ya wa be ye bebom ne ye sua ade nti maybe I will be no ya krado sene so adesua no eba so medawase.
Yo, lawyer Charles, men so me da city for so edawase na ene yebeko yenim etiefo amutie yahwefo amutie ye megidi se wo hwe yen na embia wo hwe o BWtv so uko Facebook live aye wo ho uko YouTube nso na bo BW live TV na eno nso ubenya ya na wo the solicitors na aka ho ntembebre ya na nkrofo ka so bo BWF na nyomanyo bibi ntokwasem bi na esi Bachobo BWF solicitors. Oh, the solicitors baso there. Definitely it will lead you straight to our channel. Into your BWF solicitors live TV and so yes, our BW radio. BW radio. Me jide say opese utie embia na o drive. Embia na baby awon untumi nhwe TV, untumi nhwe YouTube, untumi nhwe Facebook. Your radio so and also we call Radio Garden. O call Radio Garden na no a type BW radio. Ube hu ade be twa ne ho kakra be 3 seconds bi pe ebe yi radio no e de abraw na wetie live e wo honom. Sanso na abawa radio nso e streaming ene yen ane se wo ababia wo abawa radio ho abomoden na channel ube hu se ono nso e streaming e wo honom na afe yenko yenim o join ya mesre we ni demo bomoden na share program no e ananse mu sharing ne e ya akofo minji minim se me ho ayetan amamo ana se ma no enti bi mu a mesre mo nka nkyerɛ me o na mo nhye because man share sa na ya na mo ye bu ma bem me nso so nim se kukrudu eshi enti mesre mo ma mo bu ma bem mo share program ne ma me na me ninji na me nso na me mbo me fa hoden enkoso enye sa na tie enti yebekɔ so lawyer yenim se nsɛm pii yeto de bia yeba na yebeye education say it's not like we just sat down and then prepare say oh and then you can we there be what I know I mean many to form this because sometimes a lot of people call now can na me problem say na mo betumi aboa me na just me phone calls there from 1:30 area to number 5 me was school cry to make us say oh that communication center phone call na ebe ni na just nkrofo wo how be brave embia na how nya obi how but obi how so you obi how and they say nioma ekoso ankrofo edi ho ebobo no this week we had a number of people complaining about this thing. Oh, last week we had so many people complaining about this particular issue. Now let's bring it. Now yembe educate the public. Senior tieni na unya na fe wonso watu hwana mo. And now you a very beautiful topic nim na media ameka say sembi say ba me de because obi be say na many police for na ya adam for pa na just say de bia me na police station de bia me na police station na eto de bia odu ho a unnim ade a just say unnim left from your right as to what to go on our police station ho we ho na ye jojo say ya na ebi wo ho a na say uhia lawyer ana say any say uhia lawyer when you na ya na unnim but embia nsembi enye say we a criminal o embia ensem bi pofri mu na ba na I invite to police station hey adan ye from police station na police station dia me de yeden ana bibia na incident bi esi na esi just report at the police station na come on statement yenya kan say ya obi kra to me nya stroke the fact say police for I inviting no na just say I am tuo na I am shishie so it's something real that is going on aye who say no for this little education and thrown to the public, at least for them to be aware of what to do as to when you get or you become a victim being invited to the police station. It's a lawyer. And then Miyama Kofara ba me see, say police ni and I say you invite me to a police station interview. Police station there, yes. You invite to two things. Say better statement and I say be invite interview. Minim se ade mienu de ye kon se nya wa na wonante akọ report bibi a na omo ato nsa afra odi a ade mienu de minim se ye something na omo ye se bra betro statement ana se bra na interview inti lawyer amoma ye kan se mra hwefo a mo hwe mra so na mo di mra na mo ka mra na mo didi mra ma ye do I need a lawyer if I'm attending the police station interview? Ain't no yenhwe e offenses. And that would be nkomo no ye be ye interact nte be ye de to lawyer. Mpacho me here lawyer say friend me police station ana.
Yo, that's a good I did kind of ejina de kodi a woko akoye wo police station. And therefore the answer will be yes, subject to, and I say depending. So there is a proviso to that. And the police from Omakachonia or Babaye, and then they determines that we'll be here lawyer with you, and I say we here lawyer. It's your cosuno, you be who never my here lawyer, Nina, and my here lawyer.
Yo, lawyer Charles, we be see me san ato ama on temtem. Inti no sesia no. Meninam hwa na please mbia nsem bi esi. Na yenhwe adenti minim say whenever you are talking and are giving explanation na obema yen quote bi ana say you can say law no act bi a ekire say ampa mehia lawyer na say ampa mehia law. Nti utumi kireche mu fiti ho emra ben na eka saad efa saade no say ya from a police station and I say ni say na we no mehia lawyer patro betumi ahya say free na afide ye de ensem na ba.
Yo, that's the bebre. And tie for ne ahwefo senior nkomo no ekono na ye bi say yan wo say police frɛ wo sɛ bra na ye nhwehwɛmu nti bɛboa ebia because nhwehwɛmu no ɛfa wo ho a ebehia sɛ wo ne lawyer ɛbɛkɔ ana emra ɛbɛta saa ade we ho no your friend no Police and Criminal Evidence Act, PACE for short, and emra we by 1984. Na sa PACE mrai mu no anase Police and Criminal Evidence Act mrai mu no you can see say we a criminal law eho na obi be say identity na de ye kan bibia fa criminal law mra ne de yamra it doesn't really matter say immigration say your family say your employment say your crime everything is relevant nti na ye besua de be na bia wati ase ne nti a ye frɛ wa ye bi say wo lawyer anase wo ni lawyer na so man ka kra as I say, as I say, we now pace no mu no so no omo is coded, and here were pace codes, and I say police and criminal evidence codes. Now code no ye mu A to H. Na ni nyina no e woni a eye. Na nde ye nkomodie no say ya fra sebra police station na ye ne undi nkomo. Eno na broni fra no interview, police station interview. Na say your friend say bra police station na ye new endi enkomo a na kire say police for no esusu say why boni bi ana say wa commit criminal offense santi omo friend say bra na nia unim efa ho no baboa won na omo ye omo hwehwemu ti na kire say wo no wakoye mremu no suspect ana say omo susu say unim bi enti bra na baboa na say your friend a na omaka tro say a interview under caution na yakasa interview under caution a yebebo okoko say nya wo beka ewo nkomo ya yebedi enho ni nyina no na wo beka no ebegu nkrata so na se koba say ekopie court a yede beto judge enim na ya ma wehu ni a yefra wo no beka aye na wo court no so ne a wo ka no mpempre no a wo court no nti omako hwene na onwa ka kire se santi se wo mpese wo bekasa ekwan da ho se wo bekasa woni hweka na mbom se wo kasa de a ya wo beka bia no ye be yusu se a part of evidence a wo e woni a ekoso no eho no. So this is a criminal investigation police for eho ajimu se ne ayenim no se koba crime a ya ban na woni no enya seba other areas of law ankrankro na ye ne won enya nti say bia ye kasa civil law no wo ni obi na criminal law wo ni aban nti sa wo ni aban nya wo ni aban na etwe nti nkrofo mu gire mu ma aban no police for ne CPS from Crown Prosecution Service omo no mu team up na omo gire mu ma aban na omone wo a woni aban enya asam no ye no edi enti ende no eho area na ye de efa eno so nkyerɛ sɛ wo asam bi a wontumi misa emfa any other area of law eho enti na sa na etie de a sɛ na ya boso no ye be bisa wo sɛ nia esinie wo ba Upese, uwa lawyer, what the babana. Wono, ubechirem say, Annie, and I said, Debbie. Mrano ma ukwan say, under the pace provisions, no, a ma ukwan say, Omoma we are where say, ubetumi the lawyer aba. Na say, we need lawyer so aban SSL Oma obi. Aye police for no, SSL Omo pebi ema o. Nti ye won krofo bi anasa lawyer for bi aye from police station or duty solicitors. Nti sa duty solicitors no anasa lawyers for yi omo wo ho. BBC na obi call police station akoma ya toto na no a yetumi frɛw ebi. Sɛ woni bi a omo angasa bema obi na aban atuaka. Sɛ wawo obi nso a obetumi de no akɔ. Ba na ehia ne sɛ wohia sɛ ube lawyer ebeko anasa obema lawyer edi wechi na one wo akọ se nienti a wohia no ye kwasui no ye bebo so me dase
Jo lawyer yenso ye dase nienti a wohia ye koso ye bebobo so ampa se ye hu se wohia lawyer de a na je se afa ye behwe adenti na o se wohia lawyer na ade na wonko antumi nko ye behwe ne nyina tiefo was afa no adwen ya mesrew mesre BWF Solicitors legal hour so ne da so we na se waba sisi a bomode ana hye na obi nso na enye bi afa nso fa comment bra at least over announce yourself near who say oh ham pa baby I share yen friends and also ebeboa yen pa na into me home for geographical statistics no near to me home na aboa edwumedie na akoso and that topic I bobo so ya said do I need a lawyer if I'm attending a police station interview na dem ponti and I be frame interview and sisi a lawyer betre mu say say ekoba ni sa na say the word suspect abim say interview police for fraud there na suspect asema be ma na say when you assemble with the government and na wa be church mu government the police deals with the government is no say police for fraud interviewer na say it's something to do with the government. Na aba when we talk of crime, dear minia, and yeah, then you bet you say we a crime, we a crime, we a crime, we a crime. No poye program no. You can identify say you may be important and a follow under crime. Say the fraud interview and I say a free police station. We hunia or so your lawyer charge. Yeah, that's yeah, na be so ain't no. Yeah, in say there be as a place for a frayer. Omoka say o interview is under caution. Sabrofo no na yete pa your interview is under caution. Na say please for afreme say membra interview. Na sisi a wenye aka kire me say me hia lawyer say me de beko nti no say me ni bia omo a obema me duty solicitors na omo ni police for no na ye adwuma nti mostly no omo 1 or 2 de bia on board so obi ba ye chi obi ba na anase ye de obi ba no hia pe na ye de sa lawyer no e de ama na say ye hu say ne tie bia embia onim lawyer anase wo say unya lawyer yo na ye mbisa sa oho na ya no mo ka say interview wey is under caution patcho oho no betumi acheche mu kakra.
oh say police for frɛw say brana beboa investigation mo ye no na omo amma wan ya we se ne awo ba be ka no omo begina so e de ebu fo anasa wo de ebu bi mu a sa investigation no e kopie court a end mu.
Okay.
So the police has a duty to put you on notice that that interview is being conducted under caution. And the caution means that they have to tell you, say, o pese o kasa e kwan da ho wo betumi akasa. Ba na wo beka bia no so no ebe twen wo e wo court. Wo mpese wo bekasa nso a e kwan da ho say wo nkasa. Na mmom sɛ wankasa na wokɔ na wokɔ kasa de a o maybe say adenti na wonya kwan sa kasa na wankasa na afi na wobɛkasa, then it might undermine your own case, what we call adverse inference. Enti saa ne nyoma maako mienu a ɛwɔ hɔ nti police no ɔmo wɔ asodie sɛ ɔmbɛka kyerɛw sɛ you are being interviewed under caution. What it means is say because you're under caution, a form part of the evidence or the criminal evidence a court. Santi say omo frɛ wo na wo kɔ a ɛsɛ sɛ lawyer wɔ hɔ. And say one lawyer na ebe kwa na say ube kwa na lawyer no ho e twen wo. Now, as I say, whether ube kasa na say won kasa no, it depends on evidence or more efa wo ho. Nti ube kwa no na ebia na lawyer no oni police for na kasa dada. And I say one lawyer kwa na ekọ ya lawyer no benya mmere any police for no edi nkomo a yefa no conference. Na omudi nkomo no a police for no ebe na di say nyinaso bi a omo a omo de ahye sa nhwehwemu no ase a yefa no disclosure. Nti say omo disclosure no ma wo a edebo mo de be ma lawyer no so ne wo be meeting ansa wakọ interview no ase. Lawyer no back actually say we na police for no enya omo gina so omo susu say why you say and say why you say sa anti nia ewo hei no di adanse say ebi a wasam ye de and say wasam enye de nti wo kwa kan say and say kon say yes omo kire wo nia wonka na mbom ombe susu say e say be hia say wo be kasa and say ehia say wo be kasa nti bi omo ka say wo kwa ende you have to make no comment to every question or maybe sawo because ebia na wo beka no ene nia mo wadada no akobo ebra na ahokyere akoba nti obetumi aka say no comment na kire say waje edi no anansa wo beka say wo bekasa because nia omo aka no anansa omo ada na edi no enye sa na tie nti ekwan wo say wo bekasa nti lawyer no ene obedi sa nkomo no na wama wo guidance and I say advice say wo kwa ekwan da ho say de say wo bekasa and I say wo nkasa nti wo nkasa no dia wo beka cha say wan kasa nso a na ekupie court a ebetumi ahawo ekwan bi so na wo kasa nso na wo kasa bebre na wo kototo ho a eno nso betumi ahawo ekwan bi so nti lawyer na so di ne say obeda sa anwome edi akrewo lawyer na so di ne say obeji ne police for no ewo efa nia esi no eho a ye frɛ no evidence a omo wadada no lawyer so na so di ne say obetena interview no mu as witness na lawyer no na so di ne say obama wehu say wo kwa a ena say ehia say obekasa ana say ehia say obekasa na waka nsunsun aso a ewo ho so akyerew say obekasa ana say won kasa no nti me de besi eha say na ya to aso
Yo, lawyer, ye better was so ho, obo, no comment, dear, mama Kaimasem, na no comment, in him say, ya the papa, and I say, the bonny bear, and depending, because then I watch it, we say, say no comment, ko bimwa, na fe ye court, na kasa, na ye bisa, and na then na, police station, you had opportunity to explain yourself, Nidia. We say no comment, na have na hana wa bedwa we num. But lawyer, say ekobani sa maybe sa my next question there, but me fa we ntwem. Ekobani sa wo man no comment. Same bia first of all no, police for no ana say omo ma wo lawyer wo ho no bia na wo kọ na wa mfa wo lawyer anko enti no man kasa na ebe ma state lawyer na say can is deputy duty solicitors ni bi na ono aka asem nti saa time na ye ma o saa duty solicitors lawyer ye ma o akwenya say oni lawyer no nkotena se na mun kasa ansa na ohu wo hu ade a they have against you ansa na wa be you ano ana say lawyer ne nko anenim nti minim say wo kire bibi kitwe bi mu haba manya ne ye say ana say lawyer no pe nenim to no onu ye obeka say ogina wechi nti wo de question mu bi say obi a ya no ana say ye ma wo saa akwenya no na oni lawyer na akwa at least wo be say ye ma mu small place bi na mo amon kansem no ansa na ya start interview because him say interview na ya no more record na o maka interview start na ya ka click na ka say question bi kra na o di uti a na be ka say fa wa no yi ano na ade no en capture o voice no ntim pacho sa akwenya no e de ma wa na
yo me da se bebre I think I have already intimated say ye de sa akwenya no be ma wo ni lawyer no obviously the akwenya no be ma lawyer the lawyer no kwa na be stress okay me pese me ni client because that time no we a client Emma
Okay.
sa lawyer no a yɛde no aba no anasa wɔde no akɔ no it doesn't matter say aban na wɔde no ma wo anasa one na wɔde no kɔyɛ wabɛyɛ client ama no na the lawyer no best a kwan to have a meeting or conference with the client.
Okay.
Now, obviously, it will take as long as, but it will also be reasonable time because the interview is also to go ahead. And to say 20 minutes or 10 minutes or whatever it is, no, on ube share a war, send a kind of private, a dime or police station. Now,
Okay. I'm sorry.
yes, go ahead.
And Karambisa senti no sa no say embia what the station got on you no. Someone more found ho no. Na lawyer no nanim. Na wonso waka bibi foforo ache lawyer na ekoya asem. De uhwa de na lawyer no beka say ne can on your police for no against you and I say can wo de na onim na na.
Right. I mean, the lawyer also has a duty not to lie to the court. And why would the lawyer be lying to the court? Sardine Sabontina and call court. If you are not the same lawyer, it could be a court. Odi asam na ma wo. Now already no say who can say a sanet here. Now or court you could defend you. Now on one you say a sanet here or pretended to defend you to say sanya sanet here there. Then in a way, a conscience matter. By the same time, no, mrano a year regulatory practices. No, a share all lawyer and say, but let's go through this. What police station ho, lawyer ho. Lawyer no now only police for back first.
Yes.
In the case, no, somebody will be in charge, be it the constable or the detective sergeant or whoever is in charge of the matter, no, or kwa ubo dia only police officer no be nkomo. Police officer no we bisa police officer say mu obibi a mu gina so asusun say sa na tie ana. Ebi o don baka say no. Ye ni bibia and say yes, ye will bibi. Say police for say ye will bibi a mo de ba ma lawyer no. Because bibia it could be video, it could be messages, it could be whatever. Mo de ba ma lawyer no. Lawyer no baka say na ye wo who police for no e fa wo ho.
Okay.
Be an CCTV, be an whatever it is, ewo efa wo ho. Santi omo wo bibi dada. First off. So that's the starting point. And this omo wo bibi dada lawyer no be say then I wo enim unim fasa ade yi ho. Say a picture bit ma be say e wo na wo ha ya na. So bibi ade adanse say ya sa na tie dia then in a way no you have less to say.
Okay.
But the dancer say, and yes, son, and ya would dear, then you have more to say in explanation. And whether you have more or less depend on the disclosures or post for what that or madama lawyer no. The lawyer no catch say based on the ewa hey no, then I will faka ho, wo eka efa ho. Onu be di nkomo say bia na wo he na then na unim onu di nkomo wi a na wa conclude say sa na etie de a eya akoba say eya ne unim ene ne animpa no a say why no bone no so enim santi akwan da ho say ubetumi adan eyi wo ho ano because when tumi eyi wo ho ano wa ha na okoyi wo ho ano wo aban mu de a ebeye den say aban beja tu sa ewo sa abre no. And depending on information or there's evidence that no no and they be determine say lawyer no best to say kasa and I say kasa.
Okay.
Now what does say obe kasa and I say kasa no? Of course, the lawyer is only to advise and it is for you to act upon it or not. The lawyer can just say kasa na okwana kasa. I mean lawyer no untimi enforce say don't. But yeah, a woman say lawyer so to me says a son at dia ukwa say. Imagine what catch a lawyer and say, oh, nya omokano no cre. Bia ya no cre. What catch no kukuomu a. And then a lawyer back catch and say, son at dia say bibia o no bibia che say yawo. Na obi cry e share obi say son at dia. Untumi nko enko ka bibi foforo.
Sir.
And you just admit say sanity. Until who admit there, let's just say investigation no more or less no or maybe in intentem.
Na je say nko court no.
Ebe court.
Oh,
But
okay.
so maybe your investigation.
Ah.
Enya ne on pese omuhu. Na nta fina omode kwa akoma omo enhwehwemu omo enya no. Omode kwa akoma CPS. Crime Prosecution Service. Crime
Okay.
Prosecution Service would then weigh the evidence and carry out the merit test. Merit in terms of public money and time,
Okay.
and merit in terms of fairness and justice.
Okay.
So when you carry out merit test, no one who say, oh, the case is worth pursuing there. They will spend time and money to charge. That's what I say.
Matthias.
The one on the police for better in South say, you have been charged. The case is going to court.
Okay.
Now say CPS focus say, oh, anyway, they're just a waste of time. Maybe I need more. Then they will inform the police. The police will then tell you, say, you have not been charged, or there's no case to answer. Then end of story. And all these things will come into play. But our question today is, do I need a lawyer? And I think we have said, depending on their work, especially say interview under caution, there we hear lawyer. What if somebody say, oh, but you still need a lawyer? Because so when you're a lawyer, disclosures now, police for one or farmer. Lawyer no be bisa, no ni wache. And this one for lawyer and do each other. So when you're lawyer and do any more. So first part no, Obibisa said, do you have anything on record already? No, and there's any evidence already? No, wouldn't me enya sa akwenya no. Into we hear lawyer. We hear lawyer because a criminal investigation and you are under caution to say the truth. Santi, we hear lawyer over guide whether to speak or not to speak. And if you don't speak, what will be the consequence if the matter were to proceed to court?
Mati lawyer yebeda ase mekai mami bi asa na bibi say call so no mo de ne call police station home or call foforo no ono ni lawyer ni to lawyer na nka bibia na mami na ikasa gbegbegbegbegbegbegbe you afi ye di ye so video bi ma no na ono ehun say say na ni ono anie ni video everything shows ni o ka say enye nokre no bibia isho afede yebisa na sema no comment no no comment afede no comment na akowie so enti no me gidi say unya lawyer ebeboa ona wetumi edi mo won lawyer me one next question ba answer me nim say mre ni ho de ba answer na me ba no is it always good to have the state lawyer? And I say, wow, lawyer. Because na if say state lawyers no, omo diama ban into no case the enshadan yana asem. It is na no krebi enim.
No Caribbean name. First
Okay.
off, solicitors are under duty to act in the best interest of their client
Okay.
under the various SRA rules and as conduct are a war solicitors for solicitors no. And John can say, oh, why wasn't we there and yet Papa Bia and me waste the time. No, once I watch it, I turn who's over as a sort acting in your best interest. So to me, as a so jai. So if you say at any point in time, you know, about affect you on one integrity and that's about hand or kind be swa. As a sort of said, they be my romans are mean to me and wow, our kind be a so. And especially say, wow, corner, what kind of crash no. Na still or cancer, don't worry. Okwa cancer winning hushi. A conscience matter. That actually a copium no who bet me actual no. Until a one bet back I just say, and the okwa can no cry, and I say, okwa and kasa. That's all country on now see David mean to me, dear. So I started bet my say, and they mean to me a day. endi wechi ewo
Okay.
aha no nti fane say no kra enimu say wokofa aban ma wo lawyer ebedi lawyer no bedi ama aban because aban na otua ne ka debi lawyer no bedi ama wo because eye nasedi say ahyede say obedi ama wo. Now let me chip in this. I'm sure say a lot of viewers and listeners I be say hey na de ko hina BWF omoka krono ho asemi ye ka emra ni nyina na nea eye ede wo mu kra mpo ni say se na wonim no krom ha no ana say ha na individual abrebo mu no owuo ebetani pa ho. Enti before a say bio ya me beto nsa from say bra no na we sisi we chiri kama enti ade ba ko a ya sha say ye no Wilson probate enti Wilson probate ni say before a wo be kono na wa ka wasam kama say mi wu a me japadie mumfa sa ekwan we so muncha no kama na asomdwe embra ewo mi wo echire because one ya ne saa aban beche ama wo ebi ana na wo pe no enkosi ni saa nti sa wo pe wela BWF ekwan da ho mpempren wo beba na eno atena ase na ya tro will ama wo kama na eno echi no so se bibie si na ejapade no che no abemu a ana sa wo pe inheritance bi wo ho na wo petumi akọ spesio a ya fa no probate services no a eno so ye no kama nti wo ba ye be hwe probate one so na ya ye na ejapade a wo maame wo papa na say santa obi kra na damfo na we gya na ejapade bi na opekwan ofa so a ne sa ebeka sa ade ni na ye nti epese etiefo ene ahwefo nyina ehu na obi pe will writer and as a probate supporter uba BWF a ye be hwe aboa wo.
Je lawyer Charles made us say na ene ye ka police for ni criminal some dear we be bisa. The question maybe so what are some of these and I said the summary of I can say summary any indictable offenses are ebe lead into this situation into no be my summary kakra no can indictable offenses ne kakra maya na chesi ye hu senior ye kono mpacho wadaroma.
Yo that's bebre yenim say bone no egumu ahodo bebre bone no ebi ewo ho a punishment ewo ho no eso ebi o ma na eye bi a obeye community service keke
Okay.
ebi mu kra ye ma o ebeka cho say ya bo kokko kona enkofum biem na wo fumu a na wo ba ye be punish o plus new one no a wo de aba no a ye frɛ no suspended sentence no.
Okay.
Ena ebi so mu a bone no so search say there's no way apart from say okwa akodem emfe dodo na se na eti no bone bi o mu a ababa bone bi aye bone ba bone bi o mu a ababa better wo character and say wo suban ehho santi enu echi no obi agu say na nimpa yi ote ndi say no enye nipa baako na ebe susu say enokre anasa enokre.
Okay.
Nti bone ni bi o mu a magistrate for betumi etie na omebu asam no na o ma wo punishment up to 6 months prison and I said be a community service and I said suspended sentence. Na bone no a emupi no eso say wo mfafo e na esusu na omubu asam no kan say ampa ye tie mu yi de enokre say ne abede de nyina no nipa yi oyeye and I said why some microphone ye from jury.
Okay.
Nti jury no ye mene wo a yenye mbra yinimfo na ye yusu yadwen abrani fra no common sense. Ye de hwe asam no ye de tie asam no na ye de bua asam no. Nti saafo no omo ye adwuma ewo crown court ene nea chance saa.
Sir.
Nti se wokọ asam no kopie crown court wa na akoye indictable in nature.
Okay.
Nti wokọ magistrate court wa depending on senior asam no tie no magistrate betumi bi say say wo pese yebu asam no e wa ha anasa wo pese yebu asam no e wo crown court Crown Court no sense say eye won fafo na ebu asem nti. Omo betie na omo de common sense ebu asem no. Omo bu a na lawyer judge no esom e de aye adwuma. Magistrate ho de won fafo eni ho. Magistrate no penalty ho. Ebi omo ye mienu anasa baako anamiensa. It doesn't matter the number. Magistrate for no anasa ni no ebetie wasem. Na ode mbra na atoto ho na we bua wo. Ehɔ no na ebia senka konfafafo animu a na nka eye. Nti se akwanya ba se opese wo kɔ Crown Court anasa opa no wa haidi a wobetumi achusu se mepe Crown Court.
Okay.
Crown Court no wobeka se no Crown Court den say ehɔ so eye kase mu. Kase mu no ehɔ no so na mfafo wo a ometumi etie asam no.
Ama.
Na omo etie ka se na ekosu de nimpe oye innocent.
Okay.
And that's an ekosu de yensusu se sa ade we nimpe eyeye. Nti obi betumi be say that doesn't mean say magistrate court and that's a magistrate betumi make a mistake. Mistake is a mistake and every human being is able to make a mistake. Only God that is not fallible. Everybody else is fallible. And the judge for crowd to be a mistake. And now Crown Court and your judge in the decide. Oh, for a from jury for no be decided. And somewhere a court Crown Court to me now indictable offences. Now indictable offences no. Naturally say apart from say punishment no esono. Nia ebesteni wo character no so ewo ho.
Okay.
If you person making sure say you've gotten it right.
Sir.
Then yeah, yenim no a back crime one. The in terms of say whether it is say call balance of probability and then say whether it is beyond reasonable evidence no. Ni nyina no aye friend no burden problem. When I will decide this ekobasa wono ese ohu say before I crime no before I better say na ekoso no eye no kra anase eye no kra no na kire say yehu say we die bibia de adanse say eye saa na eye den etie beyond reasonable doubt. Nti say ekobasa doubt bibi ewo ho de a you better say no enti saa. But be a magistrate hono omo antumi susu pie ho saa. Enti ba ye bibia nso na ebukoko pie Crown Court.
Okay.
Ebi omo a eye so mean can say basic but simple but it's simple. But at a basic level say he has ever called Crown Court ever waste time. I have found summary offenses no. Imagine drink driving. Drink driving. Say police for a check it. I am breathalyzer no mu say one of some an abro limit to the this one, do you need any common sense? No. It is as simple as that. So summary offense, strict liability.
Okay.
And I don't know, and I say why jump red light.
Okay.
And also know why jump evidence. Whether say you intended to or you didn't intend to know, and yet big deal.
Okay.
But bia say bia we could be there. Theft. And I say you see we are there. Theft. Theft should have evidence of misappropriation and evidence of dishonesty and evidence of intention to permanently deprive the other person of that property.
Okay.
So there are three elements. And each element must be proven before you can say there is chrono or theft. So to be able to prove it, you can then have it done at the
magistrate. Oh, okay.
For example, somebody else here. Because say you can say okay, you prove you say where we are there. Whatever adequate no etino say you have misappropriated somebody's property dishonestly, with the intention to permanently deprive the other person of that property.
Mhm.
The question is, why dream ewo ho and I say why dream any ho?
Yeah.
Na me
Okay.
shop eko fa ade
Mhm.
na me dipie na my
Mhm.
dream enda ho a wo beka say obodamfo na ewie ade nti emfa no call police station na na say emfa no call court.
Okay.
As we said, obodamfo na ewie ade na just say wa
Mhm.
fa ade no ba na dream den any.
Mm.
There are offenses that you need to prove the intent. In
Okay.
offenses that you don't need to prove the intent.
Thanks.
The ones
Right.
that you need to prove the intent, are usually indictable offenses. And the
Uh,
ones that are just as it is,
uh-huh.
they are summary offenses.
Summary
And
offenses.
depending on what it is, it can go either way, Crown Court or magistrate, or it can go to Crown Court, or it can go to. Then you have to know where it's going either way. Or maybe so say, what in there? Now, I'm not advising, but most lawyers will tell you, say, if you have option to go to Crown Court, opt for Crown Court because your own people will have to prove your intent, not just the judge.
Judge. Wow. Hey, when the Marco school and no paper, lawyer Charles, me that say because offenses are okay. And you say, oh, committee crime, but you who says, na it be a wait, we be more, be so wait, no, shallow kakra, but nina offenses. But yeah, can the same. Not just says, see, no one means what you say, you decide, say, young fanko, and as a lawyer, never boa, my decide, oh. Court kora yɛmfa asɛm ne nkɔ sɛ kɔba ne sɛ yɛ indictable offences na say summary offences na ɔmo be decide nti it's your choice so ɔmo hu the when they see the weight of the crime na wa commit anaasɛ wakyerɛ sɛ the intent anaasɛ nea ɔde keka ho ne nyinaa no na ɔmo bɛka sɛ okay wei deɛ yɛde bɛkɔ crown court and yɛde bɛkɔ magistrate but it's your choice na lawyer no atofo sɛ sɛnea case yi tie deɛ yɛmfa nkɔ crown court metumi establish such nimdeɛ no anaa.
Yes, no correct. And say a magistrate, yes, sir, on me no be sooner or more to amount. Say, what's the way you bet you didn't know ha, you bet you say didn't war crown court.
Court.
Ope, say
Okay.
you didn't war.
Aha.
Among can
Okay.
just say because of say, inti.
Ah,
Magistrate, our no back say, we either way offense. And ope say you didn't war ha, and that's ope say you couldn't work a Now, what I say, you didn't war ha, and I say you couldn't work a
na saa mmerɛ no a yɛama wo saa akwanya no do they write to you anaasɛ wakɔgyina court na nka ɛba bɛdi sɛm na yɛbisa wo saa wɔ hɔ no a judge ne ba court trials ana wo so wabɛgyina hɔ na wobɛyi wo nsɛm ano ansa na wobɛka anaasɛ you get the opportunity to receive a letter to explain these two situation ne bɛma wo sɛ ɛbɛtumi ayɛ ɛdi wɔ ha anaasɛ ɛbɛtumi anaasɛ wonya wokɔgyina court ansa na wobɛnya saa opportunity no anaa.
Yo, ne woman says, police for your investigation we na CPS for a confirm say omo de adam asam no e court wa. Police for be catch no mama or charge notice. Do
Okay.
we charge notice or be offense no
Mm-hmm.
actual and the law with respect to that offense. No mama
Okay.
data would be appear at magistrate court. Every criminal offense you have to appear at magistrate court first.
Okay. Yo, lawyer, me da say. My next question na me bisa no. Mema obi experience kakra. Ye friend no sa na oko interview no. Me nim ni oti free police for no ho. Bansa na obeko na ofriend mma. Ena o katro mo say oko interview under caution. Na onim say ye bema na asan befie ana say from interview na yɛbɛ de ne bɛkɔ akɔhyɛ saa ɔmo cars ne mu na ɛne no akɔhyɛ baabi anaasɛ ne kyerɛ sɛ wansan ambɛ fie enti no ɔtoto n'akyiri yie because onim ne ebesi enti my next question a mebisa yi biribi sei no sɛ wokɔ saa interview na deɛ na wo expect sɛ when you are attending this caution interview under caution na what will be your expectation what do you expect and I said then I will try a bit to me see abra wokɔ saa interview no.
Yo, necessary who say interview and a caution, the circumstance can be two. One, say war already police custody. Now interview time no aso. Now police for no air interview. That means the police are already holding you. And I say police for no ebe to nsafre say bra. Na be you ano e wonea aba no eho. Nti no you are not in custody. You are a free man already. So what custody a let's just say court a wo call ne nea ekoba nyina no police for no na enye wo.
Okay.
Nti say wo court magistrate court will appear before the magistrate. Now, of course, the magistrate will ask you to have your pleading. Pleading is you either enter guilty or not guilty plea. So who plead we are. So we say we are guilty and the assem be ani wa yebedi waja to nti ano no o mesha da yebedi asem no. But say we say not guilty there. Let us say ye share ebro na yedi asem no. Say koba say we need police custody already. And your police for na edible back court. There, you are already a free man. So the question will be, say, at that stage, what should be the action? Because you are charged, if appeared before the magistrate. Santi, you have to make a bail application through your lawyer. No? Nti wo kwa one lawyer na ebeko. Solicitors go with you because the law allows solicitors dependent to appear with you at magistrate court. Crown court now, depend on the ranking of the solicitor, you need a barrister. But the point we are saying, making is say, who call magistrate wanna say, say, asam no ya afi na yebe the proper dia and I say afi na yebe sentence because what judge to dia. Yema will bail, and I say yema will bail. I say solicitor no a application for bail. And say court ni jitu mu a o grant you bail. Say you be a free man dada. And I will fear na ya fra was bra and wa badia. You already a free man, but we have to tick the box. So the bail papers will be processed. Then you'll be given a bail condition. Say until say you be there some yeah, you maybe my own to me yet. That's say you do a passport, I bet you a passport. And all those things. Same thing say, a be an away journey before say you be asam and I say asam no be and then you want to ensure that we uphold fair justice. Justice for yourself and justice for nimpa no we make allegation against you no. And you have to be available to participate in that process. There's a journey and the justice may not be served. You make sure say yeah, ma ubela, you make sure say we journey asamato. Then we sort of start over culture say conditions are will bail no. But say a serious offense, so that we can now police you are already in police custody there. Police for the obaba, omuwi a omode obeko back. Sometimes you want crophobia, you do more court I say or police for the number court.
Yes.
Yeah, yes, police for the new echo back. And see, those are the differences, but you have to make a bail application.
Sa. Yo, lawyer Asmah, I am say no one major question. But answer na maybe say for just my maybe telephone lines na to. Na once wa bibisa on question. Nye mfa ho say na ye ka police for ne criminal asem na no na wase obi bisa ye nim de ufa eboa na emom embia na ne eda wo so sisi e ha wa adwe no enye police for ne ye ka ne sen criminal asem e kwan da ho obetumi aba bebisa wo question na lawyer Asmah be you wan pepepe and then many sha na me say I'm really enjoying interview many lawyer na so we say enkomodi aye di me ni age ho pam na mesrɛ nso uba so abomodi ana share na obi nso enya na onya sa enimdie bi na yenhwe lawyer Asmah me last question me share da ebisa wo sa de ana sa de a yesua ene no ya kan interview ne me say kroma nso de interviews there you call baby different ban aban ne nyina ya aban enti no so maybe some question based on the things that we are learning today now maybe say you can say only say your disciplinary interview. Only say okay is to do with something to do with discipline. And now say MBA, ye be funny say immigration interview. MBA now ye or immigration seminar ya fro if you can say more or my ye baby ye mumbra interview. And now say impo ye job center see ye ko interview bo ane afro bibia na o ma fro say bra interview ho. Enti ne nim say interview dey ye kokọ e wa ban fie me ka ban fie bia na mabobo so ya ban fie different ne afro ne ye se bra be yi wa no ana be ka won sem ana se be ke bibi na me bi so any police for dey ya ne wa kyerɛkyerɛ mu a ye hu ne nyina kwan a wo se wo fa so ne ade ne nyina ye pe process na lead to we be say disciplinary you can say interview and I say immigration interview and I say you can say job center for interview and I say BB so no misro process na nyina ye ba ko ana is it the same bacho
Yo, near woman is your interviews under caution. I don't know, criminal investigation interviews.
okay
Evidence no, ebeboa asamoa ebia ekwekwepie court no.
mhm
And your civil procedure interviews.
mm
Be a employment interview to do with your employer
mhm
on aspect of breach of your code of practice as an employee.
mm
Now, employees will have stages
mhm
or disciplinary stages.
mhm
Stage 1, informal. Stage 2, formal. Stage 3, formal. Stage 3 will lead to termination.
okay
There might be instances where you don't have to be, you don't have to go through the stages at all
mm
to do with conduct. So if it's gross misconduct, then obviously, or if it's anything to do with say wakoye money, emfa kron ho, ban ensa eso, then the employer cannot keep you. Now wakwa to musa sa na tie dia, then you have summary dismissal because the employer cannot keep you. But say bi wait when employment side of things na ye no, na bibi esi ye nhwehwem an investigation, attend interview. And that's the BIA you wait until you have to attend stage 3 interview or stage 2 interview, be it to do with your capability or to do with your conduct or what have you. Employer number culture will say you have the right to attend with a work colleague or a trade union rep. These are only two people who can accompany you to that interview. You cannot bring a lawyer because it has nothing to do with the lawyer. And so we need trade union rep there, you can have a colleague at the workplace to attend with you. Ono no obetini mu keke as a silent observer. Nti sa nimpa no nea obeye no ane se obeye di etie asam no na nea onkasa obetie as a witness. Nti ama china bibi kwesi a obetumi akasa na we kra wo ho. Emma nya yekaye no yekaye. Nti saa way no you don't need a lawyer. And also
okay
be a yafra o say bra immigration interview but sign it. And as a brana you ni nkomo. And no o kwa wo hia lawyer because the person you be said be a kwan a ofa so back from ha why na won all those things. Nti I don't know who hia lawyer at this stage. And I said be a benefit issues biaba that's a job center benefit in some be no omu ye hwehwem. Remember they are not saying say they suspect you of crime.
okay
They are saying say bia wa be this kind of manabro and I say information yes how them one farm on and brana ye no omo and I say why benefit application the person ye hu nia ewo and no nyina no we hear lawyer because
okay
and yet interview under caution.
mm
But say they are related benefit no one actually police for No more meeting and I say interview to move the case forward. Not just a benefit fraud no a crime. So say you know.
Yes.
It is a crime there, then they are carrying out criminal investigation. It is
Okay.
a police for Abemukwa there. No, my culture say you are attending interview under caution there. As I say, when we say we hear lawyer. And now say be social services for Abba Wasem. No, my friend say Brana, you know, Ninkomo, Efa Woba,
Sir.
and no, you don't need a lawyer to go with you because any interview under caution.
Okay.
And those aspects, no, you don't need a lawyer to attend with you.
Okay.
One obeko. So what say only be bar a friend or a colleague a bar. Omaka just a fine. You can bring a colleague or friend just to sit in, but not necessarily to speak for you. Even with
Okay.
police station, the lawyer does not speak for you. You
For
have
you.
to speak throughout. And lawyer no enti embun ni nkyerɛ say can they say no. Or no
Yeah.
your conference we no otufu we a wokɔ a wo na wokasa ɔno de ɔbɛtena ase. We are now catch say okay yeah you've been able to express yourself fully. And yɛn hwɛ baby ade no ɛbɛkɔ. Anasa na ɔmo pɛ mo bɛyɛ.
Yo, liar, na de ma jomre nyina ya kasete for and that means so much more mumre a mod be bisa question no sisi am be telephone and yes question it there me were more than 1,000 to ask but me yes na me I selfish enti mesre me be telephone line no telephone lines are ye didi dwuma ne 0208123116 and na say 073992084 68 na sɛ wofrɛ mbia wo Ghana wotie me me sɛ Ghana fo mienu miɛnsa bi ɛhwɛ yɛn sɛ wopɛ sɛ wofrɛ a na wakae sɛ wo bɛfrɛ UK number na ɛya no wakae yɛ dialing code no ɛyɛ 0044 ana +44 ansa na wode weyi 0 na edi numbers n'anim no na wode number na ankasa atoa so nti ɛya na monhyɛ ɛno nso ɛma yɛn moka sɛ mofrɛ a monya momfrɛ a ɛya na momfa code no enka ho na motumi afrɛ wa ha nso no wo so betumi afrɛ na emom embia na bebia wo no wontumi enkasa bebia wo no embia na wo edwuma mu wotete nti wotete de wontumi mpacho hold on me ba wotete de wontumi enkasa fa wo phone no na koja WhatsApp voice note ɛwɔ 075 966 20154 wogya saa message no wɔ hɔ a metumi etie ana lawyer betie na wa ma wo muaye enti me first caller nyame nhyira wo sɛ waba so mpacho wo ka sɛ free me yente wo nka
Naa Manye Teng, good morning. Lawyer Asmah, good morning.
good morning
You
good
can say
morning.
London.
Yo.
Pacho, me na me a EU family member. Na
Okay.
me our jai by.
Uh-huh.
I'm a meeting as to me retention of rights.
Okay.
Na me the retention of rights no na. Me share my baby and name na all back. Na this year no. And now say na me settle status me ama me JC ma abofan.
Okay.
Now it's a lawyer saying. The CCR may apply the account may apply for settlement status.
Okay.
The same means say every time I may apply for status now. Let me apply the Amabofana and I say main change my name status now. Let me add the area meaning say I want to my day room her assistant Amabofana so that's what question.
Yo, lawyer, me did say lawyer Asmah ati o question no na obeyi wa mo nti pacho gina so ma yen wa na wa share program ni de
About me message.
so yo lawyer Asmah pacho ma ne mo ay kakra ma me
The director is saying
But I'm not doing here.
good. Repacho obey na maame nso ɛwɔ kurom ha.
But you ma me okro ha but me ma me ayo basia.
All right. Nti obey na maame wɔ ha ba oni bi.
But there is.
Okay. The ben na wobenya was settled.
Pacho made the application at some point to the saying the same about maybe about.
Uban wedi ahe.
Pacho 1.5 years.
Nti na obetumi ayɛ sɛ wonya wo settled no wie a na wayɛ application na wa register wo ba no to become a British citizen. Owie a na wakɔyɛ passport ama no. Why? Ɛno no yɛ a reasonable option than any other option I wopɛ sɛ wo consider.
Okay. The Pacho no say a idea mean here will be a man and say a straightforward application and difficult.
Woyɛ wo USS no wan na ɔyɛ ma o.
Pacho lawyer na man.
I didn't know compare lawyer because it wasn't straightforward. So it's a choice. Think about what is best for you.
Many of them are tie. Your choice, dear. Na so when him says, some sa or brofon kesi ano mo trotro keka hono. Ye nimo, me de mi school kwa mkwetrisa. Enti no se pese. Ebe kwa kopim ne yesi koyesi no akọ lawyers. Na me I recommend BWF solicitors the amount. Why? No my
one
and
time.
the when maybe as why? I just say when you answer now baby start the same question. So do what is best for Aqualano. Why?
We tutu akụkọ ni hu ntakịrị afọ ọsọ bizasa na akụkọ beni enti no saa netie ye koso mpacho ye dasi bomodi anahye ma ye why odi atoso saa ne ye no so baso ana wahye lawyer me question bi wa ha abrantie dia ha me ache na the question is say o ba school wa ha o school okromu ha na watwa no ye ka ne say ni school na we ni masters no ema watwa ni 2 years kra no nso so e de account na ba ne say afi ni visa no ya asante o say otutu anamu nso obekofi na emom oha no hia oba bi na oni oba no eware oba na yeyi uni enti no o ma ware fefefe eti kama na odi application ya akatum wa hwe mo anim application no omonte hwe afi de odi ebobos because I say sisi ano ni hwe onim ne onye ne ho na obisa say wenya ye kan say company bi a omoma sponsors ombe employ no nti obisa say otumi switch aware na waware omode nkrata na akotum a onhu decision no otumi switch say sisi a wenya sponsor a or man sponsor no na wa employ no na owo krom ha na ode no nso twetwa no obisa me say tumi ye sa na otumi switch from the marriage na waware na wo home office na on decision no otumi switch ana.
Right. Obviously, the visa na we dada na or they are converted to spousal, dear no. Spousal, dear no, my. Now, or the two move before a visa no ebewu, I'm sure. Original visa no.
Mijide. One can count, but
technically no, because so switch you switch with something.
Okay.
Technically. But you see,
you switch.
Yes, I will switch it. Will be now turn to something else. So you can't switch if there is nothing in your hand.
Okay.
Now, because I know what BB and now convert it to BB and now MBA no. That's why I said technically no. Okay. However, can he stretch the argument? Possibly. Depending on your obeka. Said technically no, at the time where maybe my spouse I had leave to remain. My application is still pending.
Okay.
Now, when you are making a new application, they will ask you, do you have a pending application? The person is varying the existing application. So variation of application. The baby said, do you have application already before with us or pending? Yes. What is the number of that application? You put it there. Then already there will be it to override.
Okay.
And once they vary the application, then technically the decision will be on the new application and not the old application.
So does that mean the Home Office will pick from where the student visa still valid? Now the career application, marriage application, no? Would they pick it from that point? And I say
That's why I say technically no.
No. Oh, okay.
However, it's a case of making a claim, and I say argument say time I make your application, you know, my spousal application, now me will leave.
Sir.
And now may convert it to spousal application. Spousal application, you know, and buy it. That means, sir, application in buy Osha nimpano at the time of your application, so no right to work or because why you meboa.
Sir.
So if the person has right to work and right to remain based on the route, the student visa. Now at this point, of very application, it becomes a matter of analysis.
Okay.
Should we treat this very application, the skilled worker application, as replacing the spousal application so that it is treated as having been made before the leave expired?
Okay.
Or should we treat it as a standalone application and say that at the time of making the skilled worker application, you had no leave? It's a matter of argument, but technically no. But is there a possibility? Is there a possibility? Yes, depending on how you present your argument.
Yeah, it's a brofa kesi de. Says it is a lawyer. Anti me nua bema wutie me. We de me no wa bomodi anako hu lawyers no. Na omonye because we be say once a light kitu ebi etumi shine wo to de yetumi bie ma ne ye kese na che say ye possible na mom no you have to argue your case and say that possibility no.
No, say it may be possible. May. It is not possible. May be possible.
Okay.
Why? Because me can't say yes, switch it. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is say any possible, but who knows? Be your trial argument or the bekono or make to me aji nya obekano atum.
Yo, lawyer, ya tias yes, sir. Yo, odofo wa maso kafra. Na yemre no ko but mame ma akonya keke na bisa na afide yenwie program no. Empacho wo so mayente wonka.
Okay, yo, me that's very manya. Manya, and we two questions. Back could come lawyer Asmah na back so ever kwamo. Lawyer Asmah, we were Madam Fubia or why application when ya under the 20 years route na when ya and krata. Is there any way of beating your switch a free store person or worry do on krata person was not worry night or test of the back 5 years? Is there any way
Okay, so 20 years discretionary leave, no. Nenti omo allow nkrofo say on be switch ne say aban na ehu mobro amnesty ne de amawo with the condition say obetna so for 10 years. So it is not possible automatically to switch to switch from 10-year route to 5-year route if you were on the 20-year route. Nti yen share ehɔ no enso. Omo mutumi switch to 5-year route no eye nkrofo a omo ye direct access as a father or mother. You did it through as a partner. Now this time you are living alone. Those ones, you can switch if you now meet the 5-year route requirement. But so with that 20 years na ye de humobro ama wo ne de omo allow say we switch it to cut the journey short. Now, obisa say obetumi aware. Of course, obi atumi ware many ye. Nti obetumi aware. Oware a obetumi agina na yere anase nukunu eso. Of course, wa ware na ukunu anase wo yere se opese oju wutinemu a obetumi aye application. Na what's nemu. Let's just say this time no, you are moving away from the private life to family life.
Okay.
Nti family life depending on if you meet the requirements under the 5-year route there, you are making a fresh application. So they will check or assess on that basis your marriage, relationship, evidence of subsisting, genuine relationship, and all those things, money, financial requirement, English language, everything. If once you've done all that, you make your application. Otherwise, you still go on the 10-year again. If you're going to go back to the 10-year again, then what's the point? Switching from 10-year to 10-year.
Okay. Okay, you made as if very why. Yeah, my me pacho minimum kofu omo pese omo aye of course because some person omo je British nationalization way. Na omo outside London until can they
and you Ghana for the whole of Africa prior in class, so it's not a problem at all. Why?
until pacho mami procedure na me mama enya we.
Omon friend na emre ne konti omon friend number WhatsApp number no omon send just take that number and send me hi na can ye ohwehwe them I will take it from there. Why?
Mat you you.
Why WhatsApp number na 07590 96620 it was so. Why? Pacho your friend saying.
Me pacho your friend is
Sammy yo that's it. Me show him. Yemre no ko yo etiefo na hwefo ye beda mase yemre no ko na we be se ye be kasa na ye nkoto aso be fofra na ba bi nso ehye nti ye be sremo na ansa na me sorry me na so me sremo me mfa sa de nto so oda so ehwe me a care course care work ana health and care social work course na ma bonten ne ade yenya be very big company ne we be se nra nkoa na wo frɛ manye tea nyame adom menya me license no na me company nso so I can employ up to 100 people. Me say oh yeah sure or say I menya class A ana grade A ana lawyer wo betre me say A classified ana enti no mesrewo penkrofo na me mom course na me adwuma ma me. So it's a good news and menya one bad news pa na mesenya good news in ra. So we say I can't across. So if you are interested say ope say unya course ni bi na won so uncrofo embe adwuma wa ha nyame adom obi eyi nanim ono so say obetumi employ people. So just contact me but me sermoni die mo me sorry wa ha na wo frɛ me dia wonya me fi ha straight me call classroom me 3:30 me pon 3:30 na so when you come between 3:30 and 6 o'clock no metumi no we dem komo adu ichire nyame nshira yen lawyer Asmah mpacho den na odi bejaye
Yo etiefo na ahwefo na so yeda wase bebre se wenyamre asama ye bisa ye woni se na wo call police for interview we hear lawyer na ya tia ase se we be hear lawyer especially so ma catch say interview no under caution if you so mo investigation afa assembly na se kwadu bi a obi di ato so na mo ye ho investigation na bia ebetumi kopie court nti o ma catch say interview under caution. So mo catch us as say oda wo so na hu say ne obeka bia no ade a ombe gina so edi wasem nti we hia lawyer and say we the wow lawyer beko nti o me bi say wo lawyer na say omama wo lawyer so wo ka say we need lawyer ni bia it doesn't matter say wo the lawyer ekwa na say omama wo lawyer bia ya lawyer na mo adwuma lawyer for adwuma ne say we make sure say nia omoya ebeboa client no na omeye it doesn't really matter say omode ma wo anasa omo wa wo de ekoye nothing to worry or fear na wo misu say we know criminal area of law santi aya ekokopie abemu na ekopie abemu a eho no na ye de kwedu bebo say ye de ukogina mu na we be yi wo ho ano na say kobese say ye twe waso a ya twe waso na mbom interview ni bi wo ho a ehia say ube lawyer ebeko especially say interview bi a immigration for and I say only adwuma for disciplinary meetings and I say only job center for na emfa benefit fraud eho ne ade no aya na ekwan eda ho say and enda ho say obehia say wo de lawyer biara ebeko enti and then no nea yabɔ no yakeka no ɛne na mabɔ no tɔfa no na mɛma me nua lawyer Debbie anaasɛ Deborah nso aka kakra abɔ no tɔfa ɛwɔ borɔfo mu ama wɔn a borɔfo twi no ɔmo nte ase bebree no de madane ama me nua.
Yola Deborah, where the Kafra why? Oh, please forgive me, honestly. Now I say I needed to introduce you earlier on, but unfortunately. So well, welcome, and then just give us the English version of the program, and then we can make our way out of here. Thank you.
Okay, so Lawyer Charles has said everything, so I'll just add something small. So yes, you will need a lawyer to attend a police station interview with you if they say that's an interview under caution. And the reason why you need a lawyer in such a situation is because that whatever you say may be used as evidence in court should the case proceed to court. So what are summary and indictable offences? Summary and indictable offences. So a summary offence is a less serious offence, and that is usually tried in a magistrate court. And usually the punishment is a fine or community service. An indictable offence, however, is a very serious offence. And usually a jury will make a judgment, and then the judge will give the punishment at the end. So they're very, very serious offences, and usually the punishment will either be imprisonment or a large fine. So what can you expect when attending an interview under caution? Usually the interviewers will notify you that it is an interview under caution, and they'll make you aware so that you're careful about what to say. And usually, like I said, you need a lawyer there. And if you don't have a lawyer, there are duty solicitors, which will also be available to represent you. So yeah, that is the little summary I have for us today. Thank you.
Thank you very much, dear sister Deborah. Yes, Hannah di dwumedie no ebeba wie tie for me da man nyina ase me do bibia ase wa utumi ba hwe ntem ube mo nkane ube mo wie ene wa utumi share ye nso no nyame nhra obibia nyame ya adomochna the community and the law baso komodie questions. I've got about 8 questions in kwa guminima menya ho akwenya envisa na mom nyame adma community and the law no baso. But before I make come say I'm recorded, before I make crack, me sabo nka ye biom say BWF solicitors ye ban say will throw any probation na probate na lawyer bedi kan ye no omo ye ho ade pa will ne de me de will ne kra ne kume no nsɛmsɛm a ɛkɔ so nyinaa obi ennim obtena asɛm na ɛno kyerɛ will na ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ ɔkyena nkwa na sɛ bi kafra o to nsa akɔ to nananom there bi o will no ɛboa enti no wo hwɛ me utie me so wo will wa wo gyina ɔna so will no enye property nsɛm o ɛmfa ho sɛ wo dan nti na wo yɛ will ana sɛ wo car bi nti na wo yɛ will de ehia enti bomodia na fa will wo pese wo tro will akohu BWF solicitors for no ombetumi aboa any probate nyina ombetumi aboa omoye sa services no ombeboa ma waye enti no on that note no mesrew enidie mo share program no se won share ya bomodia na share like the page, like our page, subscribe to our channel, and then just be one of our family. Nyame nhyira ochina nyame adma community and the law baso many abema reku frimpon bedi mu akotene. Beautiful topic near de bremo na yenya kwenya 2 solid hours interaction e be brutal e be great. Make a date with us 4 to 6 solid tomorrow evening. Enyumre nso K4 webinar on the teachers, and also make a date with us. Nyaminko Bia, have a lovely, beautiful weekend, and don't do what I wouldn't do. Nyaminka yina. Bye-bye.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.